everyone, welcome to EdYoda Alumni Talks, and this is your host Rishabh Chatterjee. And today we have a special guest here with us, which is Chaithali. So welcome, Chaithali.
Thank you so much.
And Chaithali, let our viewers know in which company you have got placed.
Finally.
Okay, and can you tell us how was the process of the hiring process? What were the stages like?
Yeah, the hiring process is went good. First of all, thank you for the EdYoda for giving me this opportunity. In the beginning, I'm a bit scared, and later it was a good journey in the EdYoda as well as in coming to the placement. I got a good opportunity. When it comes to the interview process, it went good. Actually, they have not asked anything more about every each and every topic. If we cover with the basic topics, and that is good, yeah, it went good.
Okay, and what was your reaction when you came to know, okay, I have got placed in this company?
Yeah, I'm happy.
And what was your family's reaction?
They were first totally, because when it comes to me, I lost complete hope in IT field, that I'm not going to join anymore. In the beginning days when I was studying my BE, I found that coding is very difficult, and this is not my cup of tea. I have also all such sort of negative thoughts in my mind. Later, after joining to the NE, I have decided, I have realized that what the mistake I have done, and I started improving myself. And I took a gap of 1 year. In that year, I got a call from EdYoda, and they have told that there is a data science course in this, and I was like, in the big in my first thought is like, I'm not going to do this, because this I cannot do. And they have told me, like, if you cannot do, then we have an opportunity that you can get back. Also, you have an opportunity to get back, otherwise you can go forward with that. Then I was like, okay, this is this opportunity I'm going to take, and this is the last opportunity I'm going to take. And I'm like, okay. After entering into the EdYoda only, I realized that I have improved. It's not something like I'm just talking here, because I knew that what I have felt, what I have faced hurdles in my past. After coming to the EdYoda, I have really enjoyed in my learning and improved my skills in every way. Thank you for the EdYoda team for that. And for this sake, and my parents, they are also lost their hope that I'm not going to join in an IT field. When they came to know about these things, they were first literally shocked, because they thought that I think she's joking somewhere. And later, when I got the everything set, I have told that no, this is the opportunity I have got from the EdYoda, and I'm going to join a company which is the Quantric. And they are totally happy, and yes, totally all the family members are completely happy with it. One day I was sitting and thinking what to do next. At that particular time, without knowing, I have applied for the data science course, or some sort of email I got. I have accepted that without knowing.